Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see two ways to take a screenshot on Windows 11. A screenshot is a capture of what you see on your screen saved to an image file. At some point, we'll probably need to know how to do it, maybe for work, or maybe you'll want to save or share something. It's a good thing to know, and we'll show you a quick way and a more advanced way. The easiest way to take a screenshot is using Paint. Paint is an app that comes installed with Windows. To open it, go to Start on the left side of the bottom of the screen and left-click once. Then go to All Apps in the top right. Scroll down through the list until you reach the P section. Look for Paint and left-click once. To take a screenshot, arrange the screen as you want to save it. Then press the Print Screen key on your keyboard. It should be on the top right side. This is how it looks like on the Windows on-screen keyboard. Pressing the Print Screen key will save the screen as it appears in that moment in the clipboard. The clipboard is a temporary memory in Windows where copied text and images are saved. Now, to materialize the image, go to Paint and press the Paste button. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. The image should appear in Paint. To save it, go to File in the top left side and left-click once. Then go to Save and left-click once. It will open a new window which shows you where to save your file. We'll save it in Pictures. On the left side, you have a menu that shows you different locations on your computer. Look for the Pictures folder. Left-click once and it will open in the main box. You might already have a folder called Screenshots. Double-click on it to open it like you would do with any folder. Here where it says File Name, you can put a name for your image so you can find it later. Below, where it says Save as Type, you can select the image format. The best one is JPEG because it has good quality, small size, and can be opened by many programs. When you're ready, click Save on the bottom right part of the window. The picture is now saved and we can close Paint. To find it, go to Start, this PC, then look for the Pictures folder on the left. And here we have our screenshot. Another way to do this is by using the Windows Snipping tool. To open it, go to Start, left-click once, go to All Apps and left-click once again. Then scroll down until you reach the S section and look for Snipping tool. Left-click once to open it. Alternatively, you can press the Windows logo key, Shift and S simultaneously. The effect will be the same as pressing New in the Snipping tool. It will open a screen where we can take a screenshot. We have four options. The rectangular mode, which allows us to draw a rectangle of the area of the screen we would like to save, maybe a text box or an image. After that, there's the freeform mode, which allows us to freely draw the area we want to save, for example, a part of an image or picture. Third option is the window mode, which allows us to capture a specific window. This is useful if you want to save an image of a specific app, for example your browser, an instant messenger, etc. Lastly, we have the full screen mode, which captures your whole screen, just like the Print Screen key does. It will open in Snipping tool directly, so unlike Paint, you don't need to paste it from your clipboard. We see that we have some buttons on the toolbars on the top. The first one allows you to directly select the capture mode. The second one allows you to take the screenshot with a delay. Then we have the ballpoint pen, which allows you to draw over. By clicking on it, you can choose the color and size. After that, there's the highlighter with the same options. Then the eraser. Click and hold the left mouse button to swipe over the lines you want to remove. Then we have a ruler and a protractor. The touch writing option, which allows you to draw using a touchscreen if you're on a device that has one, the image crop, which allows you to select only a part of your screenshot, undo, redo, zoom, save, copy, share, and see more, where you can open a file, open the screenshots folder, open the current image in a different program, print, send feedback to Microsoft, and settings. When you're happy with your image, click the Save button to open the Save As window, where you can choose where to save your file, rename it, and select the image format. When you're ready, click Save. Now you can close the snipping tool, go to Start, this PC, and find the image you've saved. That's it, guys. So now you will be able to take a screenshot of a specific part or of the whole screen, draw over, and save it to your PC for sharing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future tips.